Good day, everyone. How's your day? Welcome to our new episode. Today, we're going to talk about our second project at Batangas. In our last video, we talked about the infinity pool construction here in Malvar. Now, we're going to talk about this small yet beautiful swimming pool that has an area of 49 square meters and a depth of 1.5 meters or equivalent to 5 feet. It has a seating ledge. A seating ledge is a shallow platform where you can lounge or sit while partially submerged. It is positioned either at the pool's shallow end, adjacent to the entry steps, or along the pool's perimeter. It is perfect for those people who loves to relax on pool while enjoying the heat of the sun to get a perfect tan. Did you know that swimming is a great workout because you need to move your whole body against the resistance of the water? Swimming is a good all-round activity because it keeps your heart rate up but takes some of the impact stress off your body builds, endurance, muscle strength, and cardiovascular fitness, helps you maintain a healthy weight, healthy heart and lungs tones, muscles, and build strength, provides an all-over body workout as nearly all of your muscles are used during swimming. Now you know, guys, that's all, everyone. See you in our next episode. Bye! Thank you so much for watching, mga ka-friendship. If you loved today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest projects and tips. Let Magesco Garden and Pool Services bring your outdoor dreams to life. See you in the next video.